Here's the solution for your broken scope, sight or flashlight in airsoft. So once you buy the flashlight, take this metal piece off and remove the glass from it. Then go to your local hardware store and get safety goggles. They are $1.56, I think. And take your glass, put it on it, trim around with your marker, and cut it. And here's the results. So this thing is actually like a 3mm thick, and the original glass is like 2.5. Let's compare. And also it has a bump right here, so once your BB hits, it goes to the side and it's not gonna break this thing. Also plastic bends and wobbles, but glass is just shadows. I broke on my other flashlight. The BB hit so hard that it even bends aluminum. So I make one and it fits right in perfect. So now save yourself your $50 scope or $80 scope, and then whatever you paid for your flashlight, 40 bucks. Now take your plastic guard and just trim around with whatever tools you have. You can either use your wife's nail sander or polisher sander, or your father's, which is more serious. They always get something more serious, or like I was using. So check this out. Broke one flashlight, broke second flashlight. So here's my new one. It's not gonna break for sure now. And here's my third flashlight. I didn't break this yet. And here's my scope. It's missing glass from inside. There's another one, but also I have some super glue right around it. Was fixing it before. That didn't help. You have to do it from inside. So that's your solution. Pretty easy fix, and it costs about $1.60 something cents. So there you go, guys. If you want to enjoy airsofting without spending more money, this is the solution. Safety glasses. Here's some testing. Here's the results. Broken BB. And nothing here. Not a crack. Not a scratch. Maybe there's gonna be some scratches, but no cracks. Well, I had some scratches on them already.